Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we got the back to school mystery box from Juvia's Place. For those of you who are not familiar with Juvia's Place, you are so missing out. And they have so many wonderful sales so often and wonderful coupon codes, okay? So be on the lookout for that. I'll leave their web address down below, okay? So this box, let's just talk about it for a second, okay? What I actually purchased was the back to school mystery box from Juvia's Place. The price was $23, but I had a 20% off coupon. So even after taxes and shipping, I still paid less than what the box actually cost, and I got over $80 worth of goodies. Okay, so we're just going to jump right in and we're going to check out everything that came in the September mystery box, which is actually called the back to school box. Okay, so I love these. I am so determined to fill up my palettes from Juvia's Place. I have quite a few of them, okay? Some of them I just outright bought because I wanted them just that bad. But just to see what else is coming in. So let's just start at the top. So the first item that I received was the Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Gel. And this is what that packaging looks like, okay? And it says this is in the shade Clear, but even though it's in the shade Clear, I use it over top of, my brows when I've done them to keep them locked down and in place. If I wanted my brows right at the beginning to really pop, I would take this and just put it in nice and smooth, not even with this one, but with a finer brush, okay? And it would give it that brow-like stroke. So love, love, love that. Okay, this is a 5 milliliter size or a 0.169 fluid ounce size, okay? It has a 12-month shelf life, okay? And this is what the inside packaging looks like. Of course, it has the Juvia's Place name on it and the actual name of the product, okay? So this is the first one. I'll check the actual prices if I did not get it in the mystery box, and I will put them down below so that way you'll know exactly what the products cost. And if they are on sale, I'll let you know that as well, okay? Then the next item that I have is the name of the product is actually the Garden of Juvia's Lip Reflect Gloss. This is what the packaging looks like. I have a palette back here. I don't know if you can see. Yes, it's right behind me, okay? And this is part of that collection. I need to get into this palette. I don't think I've used this palette yet, but I don't have a problem with that at all. I'll get to it. I definitely will, because it's not going anywhere. I will be keeping that. Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life as well, and it is a 5 milliliter size, and the shade that I have is called Pink Bay. This is what it looks like on the box. This is what it looks like in person, okay? Now, I'm telling you, I'm really tempted to open it up and put it on right now. But I have 4 Juvia's Place lip glosses behind me that I am currently using, okay? So that's the second item. Then the third item that I have, this is beautiful. I actually do not have this product. What I have is a part of the Nubian Glow line, and this is the liquid luminizer, and it's in an 8 milliliter size, okay, or a 0.27 fluid ounce size, okay, and the shade that I have is called Starstruck. Okay, so let's see what it actually looks like. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and this is what the product itself looks like. And it has a 12-month shelf life as well. Oh, I really like this. Okay. Am I going to swatch this? I think I'll wait till the end and then we'll swatch and see what some of these items look like. I actually have it too. Is a part of the bronzed line, okay? And this one is a liquid lipstick. And it's called Bronzed Toast, okay? And this is a 2.5 gram size or a 0.09 ounce size. I love this so much. Love, love, love it. Okay, I'm going to show you just how much I love it. I actually do have it. Okay. But if you see, all the imprint is gone off of the product. Okay, so how about this? This is what it actually looks like, okay? And you see all of the imprint on it. No, that's not happening, okay? Because I use it just that much. Okay, love, love, love it. And it is called Bronzed Toast, okay? And did I tell you what the expiration date was on this? No, I did not. It's 12 months, okay? It's lightweight, non-tacky, and long-lasting, and that is so true, so true, so true. Okay, so love, love, love it. I'm sure I have plenty of pictures on my Instagram as well as looks throughout my YouTube that I have this on with, okay? If not, I'll find one. I'll post it up here so you can see it. But I definitely love this item, okay? And then, okay, so that's item number, what, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. And we always get a palette. And the palette that I got is part of the Bronzed Rustic line. And it's this one right here. Okay, and it says a beautiful selection of bronzed, versatile, and rustic shades that can be worn any day. Okay, it's got some pressed pigments in it, some mattes, and just some all-around beautiful stuff. Okay, let me say it correctly. Beautiful shades, okay? And it has a 24-month shelf life, and you see their inside packaging looks just like the outside, okay? And this is so beautiful. Look at that. Right there. I think I might put some on right now. Give me just a second. Okay, so we're going to do this right here, right now with you, okay? So what I'm going to do is we're going to use this one, and this one, okay? What are your thoughts, huh? All right, so this is our Juvia's Place back to school mystery box, okay? All right, so let me know your thoughts down below. Have you purchased it? If you did you use a good coupon code? Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below, okay? And I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up our Juvia's Place mystery box. The title for this one, in the month of September. I believe it was the end of August and September, but I did just receive it. And so it's the back to school mystery box, okay? These are the items that were included. Down below, total manufacturer suggested retail price plus the amount that we actually spent, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feel. Give it a thumbs up. Show me what you've done if you've already received yours, all right? And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.